What's up? It's your boy OG350. That's right. And you looking at my baby, a wheel, and a prayer. And you see the quarters are off. Just looking around the truck, just making sure we can, identify any rust, any issues that we need to correct before we start all the other stuff. Rockers right there, a little rust. And you see this panel here is horrible. We won't be trying to correct that. We will be getting a new panel. We do have that panel already in. Upper control arms, lower control arms. We want to get all that stuff cleaned up. I want all the oil, the old, the gunk. We're going to get that old block out of there. We are doing an LS swap on this particular truck. Just want everything clean. I want that firewall looking good. Just really paying attention to what we need to do. Trying to calculate the cost, do it as good of a price as possibly can. This right here, radiator core support. We, looking at it real good, seeing what we need to sand down, what we can get away with. You see that corner right there is really, really rusted out. We had to do some fabrication on that one. Sand it all down, really getting a good look at it. Sometimes the rust hides behind the paint, man. So we got to get it all removed and remove as much as possible. But we did have an opportunity to get some sheet metal and fabricate a part for that lower corner there. We're just trying to see what we're really working with. And I'll tell the story later how I acquired the truck and all that good stuff about the truck. You see the top of the radiator core support, just making sure that's good to go. All the nuts and bolts, clean those up. Want to get that painted. And the paint actually turned out pretty good. As you can see there, everything turned out pretty good. Both sides, man. Black chassis paint came out really, really nice. And we got the upper part of that radiator core support pretty good. All that stuff is curing now. We had to fabricate this part out of some sheet metal here on the ground, but you see it fits really, really nicely. From that piece right there, it fits really nicely. Okay, at some point I'm gonna put it up there. Okay, it fits really nice. Okay, there we go. It fits really nicely there, and my welding skills are not A1. So the little skills I had, I did what I could. We got it on there, a little pit in there. Welded too hot. I don't have a type of welder where I can kind of measure that, or adjust that kind of stuff. But anyway, there you go. The corner's good. It's all blacked out. Yeah, man. A little bit of work done.